Appletini who?
By Appletini. This cocktail is the Apple Martini's cool tequila cousin. She's sweet, she's sour, she's silky smooth, and she tastes delicious.
One of my all-time favorite snacks is a green apple covered in lime and salt, which is what inspired me to make this tequila apple sour. Today we're gonna be using Suavecito. This is the world's smoothest tequila.
If you wanna get your hands on a bottle of this tequila, be sure to check out shop.suavecitotequila.com. But before you do that, let's dive into this recipe. First, we're gonna go in with a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Next, we're adding a 1/2 ounce of agave. To give it that silky texture and that nice frothy head, add 1 ounce of egg white.
Next, go in with 1.5 ounces of apple schnapps. And last, 1.5 ounces of tequila blanco.
Whenever you're using egg white, dry shake your cocktails. You really want to aerate that cocktail to get that head looking perfect, get that texture right. Then you're gonna add some ice to your shaker and give that another shake. We're gonna double strain this into a coupe and then garnish it with a salted apple wheel.
And now you get to drink her.
Yes, we do.
Cheers. So good.
I will never go back to an Appletini. Apple is a really hard flavor to get right, in my opinion. I'm very picky about apple cocktails. This is a 10 out of 10.
My snack in liquid form. I love it.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.